Well, hey guys, if you're looking for an easy to use and a budget friendly laser engraver, this is one I highly recommend. This is the Wizmaker wand. This is a great little option someone sent to me to check out. And I want to show you guys kind of how it works, all the features of it that I know of, and then also kind of how you can actually make stuff. And so right here, you see pretty basic setup. This thing itself is pretty easy to put together, which is really nice because it does come in little parts and pieces. So you will have to put this together. You're going to put this little connector piece on here. This is going to connect all these little, pieces together, makes it into the square, and then you're going to put the, the piece that's actually holding the laser right here on there. Just a few, again, like I said, a few little screw pieces, not super hard for that. You got like a power cord right here that's running. It's connected to this right here, which actually moves the machine, and then also it controls the laser itself right here. So really easy to work on that. It actually has some settings you can see right here on the numbers running down the sides, so you kind of know your widths and your length. So again, when you're controlling this thing here in just a moment, you'll know exactly how much space you have and what you can control. Down here, you have your power button. You also have your computer import. So again, it's plugged up to my computer. It's also plugged up for the machine as well over here, plugged up. And so pretty easy itself to use. Like I said, it's just the laser here in the middle, and it kind of moves around and controls everything and does it pretty well. And then that's pretty much the setup on this. So you can kind of place it wherever you'd like, and you can put it on whatever you would like to do. Right now I have a piece of wood. We're gonna engrave here in just a second. But pretty easy on that. The hardest part for me so far has been learning how to use the software. So you will have to find some type of software to run this machine. Right now I'm using Lightburn, and so if you know how to use that, then you should be good. This actually took me significantly longer to figure out how to use Lightburn than it did actually put this whole thing together. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on my computer. That way you can kind of see what I'm doing as we go ahead and engrave this piece of wood. So here, as you can see, we got our little area that we have mapped out, and I'm just using the name of my channel, Try This DIY here. Super easy to use, but we've already got it all set up, got all the areas set up. We even have, again, our laser set. You can see right here, you can adjust this. You can unscrew that and you can move the laser kind of up and down. Also has a little fine adjustment right here as well. But you can adjust this laser a little bit. So if you need to do that, you can do that as well, making sure it's the right distance from your board you're going to be writing on. As you can see, I've already done one back there, but we're going to do one right here. So once you've done this, you have it all set up, prepped and ready. Again, you can control so much stuff up here and do all kind of different stuff that you want to do, all kind of shapes and everything. But once you're done with that, you can go over here to start, and it will start. I'll just show you guys a little bit. Again, don't want to do too much. You can kind of see it working a little bit. We're going to check out what this looks like once it is done. So let's see what this looks like right here. And boom, you can see it right there. We'll Try This DIY, easy to do. Looks really good. I had my green glasses on as well, if you guys are wondering. Had those on, so it's kind of looking what I was looking at. But you can see right there. So there's so many cool things you can do. You can see this right here. Once you're figured out how this works, and once you kind of get this stuff, then you can do all kind of other things like that as well. So guys, you can see it looks really cool right here. I think it's a cool thing to do. And I'll be honest, I am super green at this. I do not know a lot about laser engraving and using these type things. And so it did take me a little bit of time to figure out the Lightburn system. But this right here itself, the laser engraver itself, was pretty easy to figure out and pretty easy to put together. But once you figure this stuff out, again, this is super easy to do, and you can do it pretty quickly. And so once you do, you control this, and this controls, and then you're able to create different cool things like that. So I think this is a great DIY option for anyone wanting to kind of get their dip their toes into the laser engraving option. Again, it's really cool, pretty easy. I think it's pretty basic. Like I said, once you've learned the system itself, then you know how to do it. And I think it's a really cool idea. So there's so many different ideas and things you could do with this. You can create stuff, make stuff, write stuff, and I think that's a really cool idea. So I think if you're looking for a great budget-friendly DIY option of laser engraver, this is one I recommend. It's super easy to use, doesn't take up a lot of space, and doesn't take up a lot of power. And so I think this is one you could definitely use again, just anywhere in your house or shop or whatever. So if you're looking for some type of DIY laser engraver, this is one highly recommend you check out.